Alright guys, so we're going to start by brushing our hair in the direction in which it lays, making sure our tools are nice and clean and sanitary. And to begin our first guideline, we're going to be using our Anti-Slimline Pro LIs. For this haircut, we're going to be doing a low skin fade. So I'm going to start off with my first guideline, real low, and I'm dipping it down towards the back of the head, keeping the same contour shape as my head. So this is going to be like a low drop fade. Let me correct myself. Alright, right here I'm just making sure I get all these hairs off. What I'm pretty much doing right there is prepping for the shaver. Right here I got my Wall 5-star shavers, and I'm just going to bolt myself out. Alright, right here using my Wall 5-star seniors, I got my lever all the way open, no guard on here. I'm going to be creating my second guideline, going up about an inch. Making sure I'm very consistent throughout the head. So meaning, if I have this guideline set at an inch on the right side, that's what it's going to be throughout the whole head, on the back and on the left side. Alright, so right here I still got no guard on here, and I close my lever all the way. And I'm going to start working this line that we originally made with our trimmer. Going up about halfway throughout the guideline that I made. Alright, so right here I open my lever about halfway, and I'm going to completely remove the line that you see there in between this guideline. Now it is very important that you do not go up higher than the guideline that you made with the lever all the way open. We make guidelines so we can work in between those guidelines. Alright, so next step right here is we got our number 1. I got my lever all the way open, guys. And these are some Wall Premium guards, just in case you were wondering. It's pretty much all I use for Wall. The other guards are a little flimsy. Alright, so that was the one open. So right here I still got my number 1 on here, but except I'm going to close it. And I'm going to work right under what I just did with my 1.5 or my 1 open. Making sure, once again, that I'm not going past that guideline. Right, we're working in the vicinity of this guideline. Alright, so right here I put my 1/16 guard on, got my lever halfway open. I'm just going to start flicking out at this line right here that you see. And I'm going to eventually work my way down till it's gone. Alright, so right here working my way down, I close my lever all the way, and we're going to continue working. Making sure I'm very detailed in this area right here, because I don't want to go too high and raise my fade. Guys, as you can see, I'm stretching my skin a lot. It's very important when you're giving yourself a self-cut that you're stretching your own skin, just because there's certain angles and certain ways that you gotta position yourself that when you stretch the skin, it's gonna be able to give you a much better and easier fade. Alright, so right here just doing a little bit of detail work. I took my guard off and I got my lever all the way open, and I'm just using the corner of my blade, using 2 to 3 teeth just to target certain dark areas that I see. Maybe it could be a little dip in the head, or maybe just coarser hair. Alright, and right here I got my 2 guard on here. Got this all the way open, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna work right under what I did with that. Alright, and right here I go back to my 1 guard. This is all trial and error at this point, guys. This is detailing at this point. I like to detail when I'm in the actual step before I move up higher, because that way I won't forget what guards I've used up to that point, or I don't lose my place. And like I said, guys, it's trial and error, right? So we're gonna be working our way down. So we started with this one guard all the way open. Then right there, you just saw we had closed it halfway. And now to completely remove any type of lines that we see there, we're gonna close it all the way. Like I said, trial and error, guys. As you can see, I started with the one all the way open. After it's not cutting anymore, you close it halfway. After it's not cutting anymore, close it all the way. Also, making sure that you are not going any higher than what you did with that number 2. And I'm just doing a little lever play action right here, opening, closing the lever, just to be able to get rid of some dark spots that I see, so some bulk. Alright, so right here I throw my 3 guard on here. I got this all the way closed. I'm not really making a guideline here, guys. I'm just kind of going straight up. And after my hair gets past like a number 2, I like to use a comb instead of the brush, just because I feel like longer hairs feed through the teeth of the comb better. Alright, so right here, I'm just working some dark spots that I see with this number 3 guard. I got it all the way open at that point. Alright, guys, I'm brushing my beard, making sure I get it nice into its natural state, so I can start combing it, acting a fool, as you can see. Alright, and guys, when I was recording this video, a lot of footage came out blurry. The camera was not in focus. So there are things that you will not be seeing here today, like the lineup or the facial hair lineup, and I also will be doing color enhancement on myself in this video. But like I said, guys, the footage was just blurry. I could not use it. But I just wanted you guys to get a sense of what the cut looks like before and after the hair enhancement. Alright, guys, as you can see right here, the cut is so much crispier. Right here is with the enhancement on. I used Kiss Express. Now all I did was just enhance a little bit of my hairline and a little bit of my beard, and that's all, guys. When I'm shaving, I'm making sure I'm stretching the skin, making sure I'm taking small, quick strokes for a comfortable shave. And sometimes when it comes to the facial hair area, I'll blow my cheek up, or I'll pop right there where I'm shaving the bottom of the lip with my tongue, just to be able to create a more comfortable shave for myself in both aspects, as a client and as a barber. Like I said, guys, self-cutting is all about angles. You gotta get uncomfortable. Some of these, if it wasn't for this self-cut system, cutting your own hair, it can be a little bit challenging. But with the self-cut system, then your hands are free. You don't have to hold the mirror. You can stretch your skin with the other hand. Get the job done a lot quicker. No, guys, I'm not sponsored by Selfcut System. I do not have any ties with them, other than being friends, and I just really like the product. I'm not making no money off of this or anything like that. This is just a product that I live for, that I live by, and it's definitely helped me a lot. I've been cutting my hair for 15 years, and started when I was 12 years old. as hell didn't have this back then. So I'm definitely grateful for it. Alright, right here I'm just doing a couple last little touch-ups. This is like a textured crop. I didn't do no scissor work in this one. I had already a little bit of scissor work done before, and I like the length. But you can see I'm just playing with it right here and just kind of scrunching it up a little bit. Alright guys, and there you have it. That's the finished product. Let me know what you guys think, man. Make sure you guys smash that like button, click that subscribe, turn on these notifications, man, so we can keep bringing this heat. Like I said, guys, so this is like a low fade crop with a beard. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed.